Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn internationalization, i18n. For that, we can go to internationalization, and if you click on plus icon, you will see all sorts of error here, and you can provide in your different languages. For this demo purpose, I have created these two languages, Gujarati and Hindi. If you go to that, I have just added only this part, and when any field is required, our system is throwing this error. Now let's go to one custom API. Go to this internationalization. Here this is simple returning hello world, but this API needs one field, name. So if we don't provide name in the body, it will give us this error. If we provide that value, it won't give us error. Now let's see this error in different languages. In header, we just need to pass user's language. In this case, let's say it is Gujarati. We'll send it and it will throw error message in Gujarati. If we pass user's language as a Hindi, then it will show error in Hindi. We can simply show this error message to users in a UI. Now for these database fields and some special constants, we can also handle them in our internationalization. For example, for Gujarati, for those common words, we can put it here like this. We'll update that. And for Hindi, we'll put those constants here. We'll update that. Same way, all other database name fields, we can put it here, so they will be picked up from here. Even if it is not database field and some kind of different error, we can also handle that. Now let's go back to that error. We'll send it, and now we are getting those fields in Hindi. Now if you see those messages, here the actual field value will be replaced. Curly bracket, this type, and end of the curly bracket. Here this field, curly bracket, field, and end of the curly bracket. And this field and type, it can pick up from the commons. So let's pass here Gujarati, and we'll see entire error message in Gujarati. No English word at all. Now how about custom error messages? Let's say we are passing that name. We are getting the response. Now throw it. So our error message is now something is not valid, and in ID it is also highlighting. So we can copy this error message, and when we go to here in custom API errors, we can place comma here. We'll put error message, something is not valid, and in Hindi it is like this. So whenever we throw this type of things from custom API, this value will be returned. So for Hindi we are done. For Gujarati, we'll save that. We'll go here, our language is Gujarati. We'll send that, and we are getting error in Gujarati. In Hindi we are getting error in Hindi. And if the mapping is not there, at least we'll get the error message in proper English. If we don't provide the language, then also we'll get in English. So this is how internationalization works. Here we can provide common things here. All these are constant errors. We can, left side is English, right side you can provide in your particular language. Same way, these are the custom errors we can throw from code. Here we can map third-party errors also, and these are the common error messages from API Maker. So you can provide all those mapping, and your entire application is throwing error messages from backend in user's language.